Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you how to assemble your twin bush truck tire changer X-80. Your truck tire changer X-80 is delivered in a single package. Open the tabs with a screwdriver. Loosen the lid from the transport box with a chisel and a hammer. Remove the lid. The support beams can be taken out easily with a hammer. Here we see the 2 included pry bars. The delivery also includes the clamping jaw extensions, a box with additional parts and the ramps. To loosen the machine from the transport box, hold the nuts under the pallet with a wrench. The machine is secured to the box by 3 screws. The machine can now be lifted from the sling bar using a suitable lifting sling. Mount the ramps. You will find the remaining accessories in the box with the additional parts. Read the manuals carefully before continuing with the installation. Next, the included 3-phase plug must be installed. Please note that the following electrical installation should only be performed by a qualified electrician. The exact assembly of the 3-phase plug is described in the instructions. The next step is filling the oil tank. Fill the oil tank up to the black mark. The accessories can be placed in the compartments of the machine. After plugging the machine to a power outlet, a first test run can be performed. The assembly of your truck tire changer X-80 is thus concluded. Before using the machine, make sure all screws are tightened properly and that oil is not spilling out of the machine. Depending on the frequency of use, the slide rail and the swivel joints should be greased regularly. A regular oil change is also important for a long service life of the machine.